telecommunications, show business, electronics, computers, and high tech. That means we are going to see some new products, new inventions to do with high tech, and also communications in particular. But we are going to see a lot of acquisitions, merging of companies. 嗱，今年第一個最好嘅行業就係火業，最典型嘅火業咧就電子、電腦、電機、傳播電同埋呢個娛樂事業。咁樣呢個娛樂事業咧最典型就連我都會上荷里活今年。今年年尾之前咧，我會為荷里活拍16集劇集。咁樣另外咧就係個電子行業咧，通訊行業今年咧會有突破，亦都有好多公司合併，所以一個好激動嘅一年。 所以留心呢個走勢。Now talking about the entertainment side, over the years they've been suffering because of copyright stuff. This year we are going to see 我哋嘅垃圾，又將垃圾切咗能源，又冇污染，你馬上變咗億萬富翁。Now that's the quickest way to become a multi-billion usable energy without pollution. Without pollution, that's the key. So if you invent a way to do that, you are an instant billionaire, never mind millionaire. You jump by 1,000 times. So that's how, because energy is a big thing for 2007, that's also a very, very prosperous business. So if you invest in companies producing time and time again, all right, another typical mental business has to do with cars. Automobiles. But cars are very dependent on the life cycle of the countries doing it. 嗱，第二個最緊要嘅黃金行業咧，就係汽車行業。汽車行業咧就同國家嗰個地運好緊要嘅。In general, and further follow China. China's car business should not be underestimated. What about the United States? Because USA's life cycle has been down, that means they are about to experience enormous record number of results. And also there will be a record number of car recalls of the big three. Mental business is legal. Legal law. What happened this year is the Western medicine is trying to downgrade Chinese medicine, claiming that there's a lot of toxin in it. In reality, there's none. They've been there for thousands of years, but they will try to make up the rumors. And also there are too many Chinese medicine associations going to fight each other, causing a lot of internal problems. So that's on the good side. So that's the highlight of the good and bad businesses. 剛才嗰啲咧就係所有行業好唔好嘅一方面。Now